A Redford real estate agent tonight is facing charges that include embezzlement and running a criminal enterprise. He's accused of making fraudulent deals that involve two federal housing agencies, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner tells us the man is now out of business and facing some 20 years in prison.
32-year-old Samer Salami is accused of pocketing $500,000 by listing homes for sale by the government and not representing it. He would allegedly get legit buyers, convince the government to sell to him for less through a shell company, pocket the difference, and commissions on both sales.
The 9 Wayne County cities where people were allegedly ripped off, because that's almost a quarter of the Wayne County cities. And again, this is continuing.
Salami came to court with 2 attorneys, pleaded not guilty to 12 different charges, and already a battle underway over bond. Prosecutors told the judge they raided his house just yesterday and found he had assets worth $30 million and ties out of the country.
As to why he didn't leave before, Your Honor, frankly, he didn't know the nature of the investigation or the extent of the investigation, Your Honor.
The defendant will turn over his passport to the court immediately. The court orders that the defendant cannot leave the state of Michigan. The defendant is not allowed to actively engage in the real estate industry.
The judge set bond at $3 million, 10% cash to be posted, and ordered Salami to wear a tether if he did bond out.
This was someone with less means than Samer. His bond probably would have been, $10,000, 10%. We think it's unfair. We think the prosecutor's office is basically parading him out here as the person that took down Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, and there's no basis for that at all.
This case could be far from over. The prosecutor told this judge they have another 185 they're looking into that add up to $4 million. In Redford, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.